Okay everyone, today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can use voiceover for narration or add voiceover to your video with InShot. Before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment on my video. Open your application, and now in this tutorial I will add my voiceover. Select music in here. After that, select music, and now you can add music from your gallery. I have this voiceover InShot I was record before. Select in this tutorial use, and you have done add voiceover to your video. You can play. In this tutorial, I create voiceover and add this voiceover. That is the way how you can add voiceover to your video with InShot. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.